Thailand, known as the Land of Smiles, is one of the most fascinating and diverse countries in the world. From its vibrant nightlife and rich cultural heritage to its stunning tourist attractions with super affordable cost, ancient civilizations, and unique social life. Let's dive into in-depth of Thailand amazing facts. Stick around until the end, because knowing the final truth will make you speechless. Thailand holds a unique and proud place in history. It is the only country in Southeast Asia that was never colonized by a European power. While its neighbors fell under British, French, or Dutch rule, Thailand remained independent, earning its name, Prathet Thai, which means land of the free. Bangkok has the longest city name in the world. You might know it as Bangkok, but did you know that's just a nickname? The real name of Thailand's capital is a jaw-dropping, 168-letter-long tongue twister that could leave you breathless or even break your teeth trying to pronounce it. Here, Krung Thep, Mahanakhon, Aman Ratanakosin, Mahintara Yuthaya, Mahadilok Phop, Naparat Ratchathani Burirom, Udom Rachani Wet, Mahasathan, Amon Piman, Awatan Sathit, Sakatatia, Witsanukam Prasit. Try saying that 3 times fast. Can be broken your teeth. In Thai, the name roughly translates to City of Angels, the Great City, the Eternal Jewel City, the Impregnable City of God Indra, the grand capital of the world endowed with 9 precious gems. And that's just the start. Locals simply call it Krung Thep Mahanakhon, City of Angels, while the rest of the world sticks with Bangkok. Because, let's be honest, it's way easier to remember. Thailand's nightlife, the most famous and exhilarating in the world. If you're looking for wild parties, neon-lit streets, and non-stop entertainment, you've just found the party capital of Asia. From Bangkok's bustling club scene to Pattaya's infamous walking street, Thailand offers something for every kind of night owl. Let's dive into the best nightlife hotspots in the country. Bangkok's crazy nightlife. Bangkok is home to some of the wildest nightlife experiences in the world. Areas like Khao San Road, the backpacker's paradise, filled with cheap drinks, loud music, and unforgettable street parties. Soy Cowboy and Nana Plaza, a neon-lit playground of go-go bars and entertainment. RCA, Royal City Avenue, Bangkok's clubbing district, packed with world-class DJs and massive dance floors. Pattaya, the Sin City of Thailand. Pattaya's walking street is legendary. This non-stop party zone is famous for its go-go bars and vibrant nightclubs, beachfront bars with fire shows and live music, insane street performances that will blow your mind. Full Moon Party, Koh Phangan's legendary beach bash. Every month, thousands of partygoers from all over the world head to Koh Phangan for the infamous Full Moon Party. Expect glow-in-the-dark body paint, fire dancers, and DJs playing till sunrise. A 10,000-plus crowd dancing on the beach all night long. Buckets of Thai whiskey, because why drink from a glass when you can have a whole bucket? Phuket's Bangla Road, the ultimate nightlife strip. Patong Beach is Phuket's nightlife headquarters, and Bangla Road is where the magic happens. Rooftop bars with stunning ocean views, live music venues playing everything from rock to EDM, nightclubs with laser lights, fire dancers, and endless energy. No matter where you go, Thailand's nightlife is an adventure like no other. Whether you're looking for high-energy clubs, chill beach parties, or something completely unexpected, one thing's for sure: Your nights in Thailand will be unforgettable. Thailand's Songkran Festival, the world's biggest water fight. If you think water fights are just for kids, think again. Thailand takes it to a whole new level with Songkran, the biggest, wildest water fight on the planet. What is Songkran? The Thai New Year celebration, held every year from April 13th to 15th, marking a fresh start with water, symbolizing purification and good luck. Originally a gentle water-pouring ritual for blessings, it has evolved into a nationwide water fight where literally no one is safe. What happens during Songkran? Water wars everywhere. Streets turn into battle zones, with people armed with super soakers, water balloons, and even elephants spraying water. Chaotic, fun, and refreshing. From Bangkok's Khao San Road to Chiang Mai's Moatside splash battles, this festival is one of the most fun travel experiences ever. Don't forget the chalk. Alongside water fights, white clay or chalk is smeared on faces, a Buddhist tradition once used by monks for blessings. How to survive Songkran. Wear quick-drying clothes. You'll be drenched within minutes. Protect your phone with a waterproof pouch unless you want it to swim. Join the fun. There's no escaping. If you're outside, you're in the game. Songkran isn't just a festival, it's a nationwide water war, a celebration of joy, and an experience you'll never forget. Are you ready for the splash of a lifetime? Thailand's third gender, the Kathoey, ladyboys. Thailand is renowned for its cultural inclusivity, and one of the most distinctive aspects of this is the recognition of a third gender Kathoey, commonly known as ladyboys. Kathoey, individuals are transgender women or effeminate men, and they have been a part of Thai society for centuries. Unlike in many countries, where gender diversity faces significant social barriers, Thailand offers a relatively accepting environment for Kathoeys, especially in the entertainment, fashion, and tourism industries. Many Kathoeys work as performers in cabaret shows, beauty pageants, and modeling, with some even achieving celebrity status. The famous Tiffany's show in Pattaya is one of the world's most renowned transgender beauty pageants. However, despite their visibility, Kathoeys still face legal and social challenges, such as the inability to change their gender on official documents. Thailand's openness to gender diversity makes it a global leader in LGBTQ+ inclusivity, drawing admiration and curiosity from visitors worldwide. Thailand has an annual monkey buffet festival in the town of Lopburi. A unique festival takes place every year, one that caters not to people, but to monkeys. Known as the Monkey Buffet Festival, this event is held as a gesture of gratitude to the thousands of macaques that inhabit the area. These monkeys are not just a common sight. They play a significant role in attracting tourists, contributing to the local economy. The festival features an extravagant spread of fruits, vegetables, and traditional Thai desserts, laid out on tables, and even ice sculptures for the monkeys to feast on. It is believed that feeding the monkeys brings good fortune, and the event has become a major tourist attraction. Thousands of visitors gather to witness the spectacle, capturing images of the monkeys as they enjoy the feast. While the festival is a celebration, it also serves as a reminder of the deep connection between Thai culture and its wildlife, demonstrating a blend of tradition, superstition, and tourism. Temple of a Million Bottles, a true marvel of sustainability. Imagine a temple built entirely out of over 1.5 million recycled Heineken and Chiang beer glass bottles. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, welcome to Wat Pa Maha Chedi Keu, also known as the Temple of a Million Bottles. This stunning Buddhist temple in Thailand is an eco-friendly masterpiece, constructed using over 1.5 million recycled beer glass bottles. The temple walls, pillars, and even meditation halls sparkle with colorful glass bottles, creating a mesmerizing visual effect when sunlight hits them. The monks began collecting discarded bottles in the 1980s, turning them into something both sacred and sustainable. Every part of the temple, including the Buddha statues and bathrooms, is made using glass bottles and bottle caps. Wat Pa Maha Chedi Keu is not just an architectural marvel, it's a powerful symbol of recycling and environmental consciousness. It proves that even waste can be transformed into something meaningful and breathtaking. If you're looking for a unique and offbeat attraction in Thailand, this one-of-a-kind glass temple is definitely worth a visit. Thailand's Golden Buddha, the world's largest solid gold statue. Thailand is home to one of the most astonishing treasures in the world, the Golden Buddha of Wat Traimit. This magnificent statue is not just a religious symbol, but also a mind-blowing masterpiece of pure gold, standing 15 feet tall and weighing over 5.5 tons. The statue wasn't always known to be solid gold. For over 200 years, it was covered in a layer of plaster and stucco to protect it from invaders. In 1955, during a relocation, workers accidentally dropped the statue, revealing its true golden core beneath the cracked plaster. The statue is made of 99.9% pure gold and is valued at over $250 million. One of the most expensive religious artifacts on Earth. The craftsmanship and serene expression of the Buddha make it a sacred site for Buddhists and a must-visit landmark for travelers in Bangkok. Visiting Wat Traimit to witness this incredible golden masterpiece is like stepping into a real-life legend, a reminder that hidden treasures exist in the most unexpected places. Thai marriage and the Sinsod tradition, a cultural practice explained. In Thailand, marriage often comes with a unique cultural practice known as Sinsod, a traditional dowry that the groom pays to the bride's family. Rooted in Thai history, Sinsod is seen as a gesture of gratitude and respect, symbolizing the groom's ability to provide financial stability. The amount varies based on factors such as the bride's education, social status, and family background. For well-educated or high-status brides, the dowry can reach millions of baht, though in many cases, the family returns the money after the wedding as a sign of goodwill. While some see Sinsod as a meaningful way to honor Thai heritage, others view it as outdated in modern relationships. Despite differing opinions, the tradition remains widely practiced, especially in rural areas and traditional families. Understanding Sinsod is essential for foreigners considering marriage in Thailand. What do you think? Should this custom continue, or is it time for change? Red Bull was born in Thailand. Ever cracked, open a Red Bull for that instant energy rush. Well, guess what? This world-famous energy drink actually originated in Thailand. Before it became a global sensation, Red Bull was known as Krating Deng, a local Thai energy drink created in the 1970s by entrepreneur Chaleo Uvidya. Unlike today's carbonated version, Trading Dang was sweeter, non-carbonated, and mainly targeted at Thai laborers and truck drivers who needed a boost to stay awake. Austrian businessman Dietrich Mateschitz discovered Krating Dang while traveling in Thailand. He partnered with Uvidya, tweaked the formula, added carbonation, and Red Bull was born. Today, Red Bull is one of the most successful energy drink brands in the world, selling billions of cans every year across over 170 countries. Next time you grab a Red Bull, remember you're sipping on a Thai invention that gave wings to the world. And there you have it, unbelievable facts about Thailand that will leave you amazed. Which fact shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure-packed episode. Until next time, keep exploring and see you in the next video.